Welcome back to the channel of Car Compass. Today, we are taking an in-depth look at the 2026 Mercedes-Benz Motorhome RV, a luxurious rolling residence that blends cutting-edge automotive engineering with the comfort of a premium apartment on wheels. Mercedes has leveraged its latest modular van architecture and next-gen e-Sprinter tech to create a coach that is both effortlessly powerful and remarkably efficient while delivering the kind of upscale experience normally reserved for high-end yachts. The exterior immediately signals a step forward in aerodynamic thinking for large RVs. Smooth composite body panels, recessed solar roof tiles, integrated awning mounts, and flush-fitting frameless windows create a sleek silhouette that slices through the air better than any previous Mercedes recreational vehicle. LED matrix headlights with adaptive beam shaping ensure crisp nighttime visibility, while the wraparound rear light bar doubles as a high-mounted brake light and camping area illumination strip. Underpinning the coach is a lightweight aluminum space frame with cross-reinforced battery protection trays, allowing a lower floor and class-leading interior height without raising the roofline. Powertrain choices start with a turbocharged 3-liter inline-6 diesel mild hybrid producing 310 horsepower and 520 pound-feet of torque, linked to a 9-speed automatic and selectable 4MATIC all-wheel drive. For buyers seeking zero tailpipe emissions, Mercedes offers the eDrive version, featuring a 150-kilowatt front motor and optional 90-kilowatt rear motor powered by a 118-kilowatt-hour lithium iron phosphate battery pack. The electric variant delivers an estimated 265 miles of mixed driving range and accepts 250-kilowatt DC fast charging that can replenish 80% capacity in about 28 minutes, perfect for grab-a-coffee stops during long journeys. On-road performance belies the size of the coach. Adaptive air suspension automatically lowers the ride height at highway speeds for improved stability and raises it by up to 3 inches when you venture onto dirt access roads to that secluded lakefront site. Standard rear axle steering shortens the turning circle to mid-size SUV levels, making city fueling stops or tight campground loops far less stressful. Active lane change assist and Distronic Plus radar cruise support. Relaxed cruising, while a trailer assist mode simplifies maneuvering, a tow dolly or bike rack. Step inside, and the cabin demonstrates how far Mercedes' design has come in merging digital convenience with tactile luxury. Real brushed aluminum trim sits beside eucalyptus cabinetry, finished in a matte open-pore varnish to resist fingerprints. A 27-inch M-Bux hyperscreen spans the dash, giving the driver full navigation and vehicle diagnostics, while the central section flips to a dedicated home mode when parked, providing smart home-style lighting zones and climate presets. All seating surfaces use recycled Dynamica microfiber, backed by ventilated memory foam cushions, and every seat, including the swiveling driver and passenger chairs, carries an integral 3-point belt for passenger safety. The galley showcases an induction cooktop with integrated extraction fans, a convection microwave oven, a dual-zone 18-cubic-foot refrigerator freezer, and a pull-out pantry rack. Opposite sits a convertible dinette with power-adjustable table height that drops to form a secondary queen bed. In the rear, the primary sleeping suite spans the full width, offering a split adjustable mattress, individual reading sconces, and panoramic privacy glass that shifts from clear to opaque at the touch of the screen. The wet bath combines a rainfall shower, cassette toilet with ceramic bowl, and a marble effect basin molded from recycled ocean plastics. Fresh water capacity is 140 liters with a separate 100-liter gray tank and 40-liter black tank, all monitored via the M-Bux panel. Energy management is handled by a 3.5 kilowatt roof solar array, feeding a 15 kilowatt-hour house battery separated from the traction pack, plus a 3600-watt inverter capable of running the rooftop heat pump air conditioner off-grid for up to 8 hours. A multi-stage water filtration system with UV sterilization lets owners refill from natural sources while camping, further extending autonomy. Mercedes plans to open pre-orders for the 2026 Motorhome RV in late spring 2025, with first deliveries slated for February 2026 across North America, Europe, and selected Asia-Pacific markets. Pricing is projected to start near $15,000 for the diesel mild hybrid and $24,500 for the fully electric eDrive model before incentives. Given the brand reputation for engineering excellence and the swelling demand for premium adventure vehicles, expectations are high that initial allocation will sell out quickly. Thanks for joining us on this tour of the 2026 Mercedes-Benz Motorhome RV. If you enjoyed the deep dive and want more detailed reviews of upcoming vehicles, hit the subscribe button and stay tuned for the latest from Car Compass.